Beginner driver education in action. Did you know if Alex has successfully passed her G1 test, she doesn't have to wait the full 12 months to take her G2 road test? With a beginner driver education course, or BDE for short, she can take the test in just 8 months. These courses don't just speed things up, they also teach essential road skills and may help reduce car insurance rates. A BDE course includes 20 hours of classroom or virtual learning, 10 hours of in-car training, and 10 hours of flexible instruction, which could include additional in-car training, driving simulation training, digital instruction, or home links. A web-based version of homework assigned to students to complete during or after their digital curriculum. But there are limits. You can't do more than 2 hours of in-car training per day. And if you complete 5 hours of classroom learning, you're limited to 1 hour of in-car training that same day. With BDE complete, Alex will be ready and eligible to take her G2 road test in just 8 months.